और सर जो मेरे पास पिछले दिनों में क्लाइंट्स आ रहे हैं ना एग्ज़ैक्टली बिल्कुल वैसे ही। तो बहुत पावरफुल है कस्टमर अवतार क्रिएट करना और अमेज़िंग। थैंक यू
Superb.
सो मच।
Just wanted to share that customer avatar is your game changer. Like the more, uh, one of my coach says, the better that you know about your customer, the less marketing effort that you need to put.
यस
हम लोग
सर
बोलते हैं
और
कि मार्केटिंग सेल्स मार्केटिंग एक एफर्ट कम हो जाएगा अगर आप कस्टमर को जानते हो। लोग क्या करते हैं, बस कैसे बेचना जानने के लिए कोशिश करते हैं। आपको जानना है अपना कस्टमर। अगर जितने भी मार्केटर देखोगे ना, दे नो आवर पेन पॉइंट्स। का सिद्धार्थ राजसेकर इज डूइंग समथिंग, ही नोज द पेन पॉइंट्स ऑफ कोचेस। ओके, सो दैट्स
तो
व्हाई लाइक नो योर कस्टमर। या
हाँ, और ऐसे जैसे ना मैंने मतलब मैनिफेस्ट भी किया और बिल्कुल वो एकदम एक-एक चीज़ जो भी मेरे से आ रहा है ना, जो-जो मैंने लिखा है ना, वो सब वही मेरे को बता रहे हैं। तो
नाइस।
थैंक यू वन्स अगेन थैंक यू सो मच। बहुत पावरफुल सर आपकी क्लासेस हैं और जल्दी कभी आप आओ मोहाली तो मुझे आपसे मिलना भी है।
Yeah, definitely. Abhi to Harmeet is there, so we'll keep going on over there. So awesome. So anybody else would like to quickly share anything that you would like to share from week number one? Anything, any wins? Would love to hear some of yours. Then we'll get started. Week number two. Yes. Anything that you feel like sharing? No, nothing you want to share? कुछ तो होगा, लाइक कुछ तो किया होगा या काम कुछ किया ही नहीं। कुछ तो
हाँ
मतलब अपने फनल के
हाय
ऊपर।
हाय सागर। हाँ
यस।
काम किया। वही पूरा जैसा कि अमन ने बताया कि अभी तक मैं भी जो काम कर रही मैं समझ रही थी कि सारी दुनिया ही मेरा
हम्म।
कस्टमर है। लेकिन अब जो हमने वो स्पेसिफिक किया उससे
हम्म।
बहुत हेल्प मिली कि मुझे काफी देर से इस फील्ड में मुझे पता था कि मेरा कस्टमर कौन है, लेकिन इतना स्पेसिफिक नहीं शायद करा था आज तक कभी कि बिल्कुल प्लेस भी सारा कुछ उसका एज वगैरह एज पहले भी किया था एक बार। एंड
राइट।
यस आई दैट मच ऑफ इनसाइट्स। और यस्टरडे मेरा एक सेशन था अपनी कम्युनिटी के साथ और वो पता नहीं वो कहाँ से वो इतना कॉन्फिडेंस और कल वाला सेशन इतना अच्छा गया। इतने टेस्टिमोनियल्स वो ना बार बार आ रहे थे और मुझे बहुत लग रहा था अच्छा कुछ तो कर लिया। शायद कहीं ना कहीं ये कॉन्फिडेंस यहाँ से भी आया। थैंक यू सागर।
Superb. More power to you, Kama. Thank you for sharing. Anybody else would like to quickly share anything, any wins from the week number one that you got? We'd love to hear some of your wins. Then we'll move forward for the week number two. Yes, Bhavna, you want to share something? You are unmuted.
बस मैंने मेरा भी जो वीक नंबर 1 का सेशन फर्स्ट टाइम मैं समझ नहीं पाई थी, तो बाद में अनीता जी ने बहुत अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लेन किया और मेरा असाइनमेंट पूरा हुआ। अभी एक्शन नहीं
Superb.
लिया
Great.
है, बहुत अच्छा मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा अनुभव रहा।
Superb. Superb. More power to you, Bhavna. Okay,
थैंक यू।
anybody else would like to share? So everybody please come on a camera. I would love to see you. So today is the content now. This is the where you will not able to hide the camera, but
Yes,
just would
hi
like to share
Sagar.
the.
I just want to
Yes,
speak.
Monica. Yeah, please.
Hi. Actually, in the last week when we did the first week that task, and I had just completed all the sheet and thread was also started. Thread पे मैंने एक post की and like every time I post every day. This is the third or fourth day I posted regularly, consistently, and I never expected someone is like my post, but still I'm getting the likes and still I'm getting the
Nice.
followers there. So that is a
Yeah.
surprising for me. Even Instagram पे ऐसा नहीं है, but still thread में I never expected, but it is happening. So that is
Superb.
and the one thing I learned, which is I knew it that consistency is a power and it is a key to success, but I never been there. So
Yeah.
still like जब से मैंने आपको join किया है, when I join the TBM, I still I say कि I just consistent in my work. Thank
Yeah.
you so much for giving me
Uh,
this kind of attitude to be consistent.
Superb. More power to Monica. ये तो अभी तक हमने शुरू किया ही नहीं बिजनेस के ऊपर काम करना,
Yes.
And
I don't know, I was just
so
thinking कि procrastination आज करेंगे, कल करेंगे, आज करेंगे, कल करेंगे. So now I've been consistent from the last week. Thank you.
superb, superb. More power to you, Monica. Anybody else would like to share? From week number 1, anything that in the past 1 week, any wins or anything? We celebrate something called a Wednesday wins every single week. Okay, where we document at least 1 week, at least one win from everybody. So if you're not documenting, I would highly recommend to start counting blessings and win small wins every single day, right? And those who have done MMI, there is one 90-day challenge that we do, right? What is the challenge about? Documenting 5 wins per day, guys. So I'm not asking that 5 wins, at least 1 wins you document. You see, start seeing that, okay, so many gifts are there, right? That we are having.
I also want to
Superb.
share one more. I also want to share one more thing. On
Sure.
11th, I have offline meeting, one offline event, and I
Mhm.
spoke there with much confidence. अपने आप को present किया. I am a coach, and the leading papers of Jammu that covered our that event, and सब ने
Wow.
वो post किया अपने papers में. और हमारा photo वहाँ पे है, and I think this is a big victory. एंड
Superb.
एवरीवन
Superb.
लाइक्स दैट कि हाँ तुम्हारा फोटो आया कि एज अ कोच अब सबको पता चल गया हाँ तुम कुछ कर रही हो तो आई लव दैट थिंग
Superb.
इट्स सो
More
ब्लेस्ड
power
एंड
to you,
ग्रेट
Kamar.
थैंक यू
More power to you. Okay. Anybody else would like to share?
Yes, Sagar, I
Yes.
would like to go. And
Yes,
it's not for the
definitely.
week, it's just post our call. As something
Oh,
shifts जब भी हम बात करते हैं. So today I had a one-to-one call with Sagar. And उसके बाद I was just thinking and I suddenly picked up my phone and dropped one message, right? Which was pending from so many days. And by the evening at 5 p.m., I got someone who will be, soon I will be revealing that person, but a very renowned person. And I'm very hopeful to come on a podcast in an interview format with that person and hosting a workshop together in Feb and
wow.
then launching something. So that opportunity just knocked. And
Superb.
I'm just sharing here. It's just in the beginning, but it was, मतलब वो conversation ऐसा गया, I don't know. I mean, how it all flowed and I suggested ये करेंगे उसके बाद ऐसा and they're like, wow, I can do that with you. So
Superb.
I was not even in my thought of कि ऐसा भी हो जाएगा, but it came and I'm not revealing the name right because it's very initial, but it is a big thing coming. जैसे सागर हम discuss कर रहे थे ना कि कैसे podcasting के लिए I was only कि solo जाते हैं, but hopefully I got that first podcast with someone in the interview format where I'll be the host
Wow,
hosting it.
nice.
Thank you so
Superb.
much.
More power to you, Japinder, taking
Thank you
fast
so
actions. So
much.
superb. Awesome. So let's get started, guys. Let me just